Tonight, a Florida-based stem cell clinic accused by some former clients of targeting the diseased and desperate has laid off employees. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. The layoffs come more than a year after Four in Your Corner investigator Katie LaGrone first exposed the company's questionable treatment practices.
Tonight, she learns exclusive details about these new company layoffs and pending lawsuits.
Make your square.
How does the state wrongly accuse a parent of child abuse?
It's shocking,
says Democratic Florida Representative Anna Escamani.
It was horrible.
But it's also happening, as our investigation recently discovered.
This is a mistake.
Why am I here?
These families among an unknown number of Florida parents who found themselves separated from their child and fighting to prove their innocence after a child abuse pediatrician concluded their baby's health issues was the result of abuse.
They didn't even do an investigation. They just arrested my husband.
Court records provided to us from these parents who spent thousands of dollars to fight the state in court also reveal some doctors coming to such far-reaching conclusions without thorough investigations.
It took him 2 minutes just to give an extra that we're abusers.
It's a problem impacting families around the country. In Texas, recent media scrutiny has led some lawmakers to consider introducing a bill next year that would require, in some cases, the state seek an independent second opinion before a child is separated from their parents.
That system, though, would provide the oversight accountability that parents deserve.
Representative Escamani believes the additional measure could make sense here in Florida, since we found these pediatricians who serve as the state's experts on abuse often answer to no one and operate independently from region to region.
Any position of authority that isn't checked by something else is concerning.
With the legislative session starting this week, Escamani says it may be too late to file similar legislation here, but she vows to bring up the issue in Tallahassee and invites other families to share their stories.
You want to make a cube with us?
Of being torn apart and wrongly accused.
Probably in the room with us less than 10 minutes.
This is the doctor?
Yes.
The child abuse
yes.
doctor?
Yes.
When the state's expert on abuse got it wrong.
It was just sad.
I cannot believe we're going through this.
It's really destroying families.
Since these cases involve children, records are largely kept private. The State Department of Health, which oversees these doctors, says its top priority is the health and safety of children, but says child protective teams are open to receiving input from others. Katie LaGrone, Fox 4 in your corner.
Thank you, Katie.